We got power in here. Hell yeah. Let's go. Power folding mirrors, boy. Looking good. What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be doing, we're gonna relocate the battery from the front to the trunk on the Skyline. So usually the Skyline here has a tiny little Takata battery, but just to clean up the engine bay and everything, we're gonna be routing that back in the trunk. But first, gotta move some cars around. We're gonna move the 240, put it right here. That way we can get the Skyline right on the lift. First, starting off, we got this whole kit here from Jex for about $90 shipped, I believe. And then got a little distribution box here for like an extra like 11 bucks on Amazon. This is gonna be so I can run additional stuff. This is pretty cool. So you can have like, I'm gonna run my fuse box to this since I'm doing the swap and everything. I could run additional positive wires to this. I'm pretty hyped because literally it comes with everything. You have your ground right here, long positive cable there. Look at this, color coordinated heat shrink. That's crazy. Got the little straps here. Got the little end cables there to crimp on. Dude, this is perfect. For $90, you can't beat it at all. Have the Skyline right now on the lift. Gonna raise this up right away. You want to see where like your starter and all that is. So on here, RBs, it's usually on the right side. Since this is a 1J, it's gonna be on the left side. So I'm gonna mount the box on the left side here just to make it a little bit easier. Just routing the positive wire now. So what I did was I just removed one of the rubber grommets here. We're gonna want to probably drill a hole through here to make it nice, but we'll do that after. So just feeding this all the way through and should be able to reach down on the bottom. Yeah, I think I already hit the bottom. Yep, it's coming through there. And then we're just gonna run it along the whole side of the frame. Fed it through here. Gonna run it the whole way across the frame here. What I'm gonna do is just zip tie it just for a template for now. That way I know the length, and just run it all the way across up to the starter over here. We were able to mock up the whole line coming, and now trusty assistant Kendrick Lou here is doing the ends for me.
We're soldering the ends. Just get that all melty.
Here we got the ends all nice and done. Kendrick hooked it up. But yeah, all you need is just heat shrink and just clamp these two that they come with. Now we can go ahead and run it along how I have it on the frame here. So let's do that. Just doing some mounting up right here. They give you these clips, and I'm just using 3/4 self-tapper screws just to go ahead, make it look a little bit clean. And then I just used this little stock clip right there. Now that should be all you would need for your positive terminal. The reason why I have two is because I'm going to be running an additional, since it is a swap, I'm going to use the little distribution box. That way I'll have all the positive up front, like a little small positive terminal. Now that the wiring is all set up underneath, we could go ahead and move up to the front. So I got the little distribution box here. Just trying to figure out where I'm gonna mount it. I think I'm gonna mount it like on the side here, a little bit hidden, just cause like my math and all the piping is gonna come out through here. So I can't like mount it right in the middle of the way of that. Yeah, I think I might just put it right there. That way I could run that fuse that's powering up the fuse box there, run into the back, and then the terminal, I'm gonna just feed it right through there. It's pretty simple. All you do is just feed it right through and then just take a Phillip head and screw it all the way down. All right, couldn't get it like stuffed all the way in the corner there, but that's probably as good as it's gonna get right there. It's not too bad. Also, the coupler right here is gonna come around, so maybe it'll cover this whole like area right here. The only thing that sucks is because it's a positive terminal, you just see bright red. Out of all the black here, you just see bright red. Now that we have the ground all situated and everything, now we can go in the trunk, mount up the battery box, and add the ground as well. Look at this, still have the spare tire in the back here. It's twisting this off here. Probably gonna mount it on the side here, drill through the little padding there to make it nice and OEM. What I'm doing now is just mounting up and mocking up where the straps for the battery will be going. Strap these up, bolt these down, self-tappers there. Not too hard. There we go, one side down. Just gonna get the battery box here, mount it up as close as possible. Like I said, the strap is just gonna come all the way around. So we'll be placing this probably right here and just self-tap right there. Bam, there you have it. Just fed the strap through. Gonna put the little carpet over, and then we'll put the box right on top of the little carpet. Fed this one through the left side just right there, and then just gonna go ahead and slice right here to feed the other strap. Made a little slit there. Feed this right through. Perfect. Now the only thing we gotta do is make a little hole, probably just drill a little hole so I could feed the ground wire, ground it to the little post where it's screwed for the spare tire, and we should be good. Had the ground wire right through, made a little hole. Be sure to take, you can either take just like some sandpaper. I just took a grinding wheel, sanded this down, and it's all bolted down to that post. Next, what I'm doing is just drilling a hole right here for the big bolt to bolt down the battery box, so that way that's an additional support so it doesn't move. We somewhat got it mounted down. There's still 2 more things to mount it securely. There's like 3 different things that they have in this kit, but just wanted to test it out just to see if like my connections were good. Connected that. I see the trunk light. That's all connected. So what I was saying was how, I don't know, when I looked at Justin's, he had literally, all right, you see this white wire right here?
Yep.
He had like 4 different ones coming out of that one. Oh boy. Yo, get the fire extinguisher ready in case something like burns up. Oh, inside turned on. I don't think I have anything for my headlights wired up yet. Yeah. Oh, damn! We got a headlight. Damn. All right, I think I don't think I connected this one back. Oh no. Power's right there, but we got power in here. Hell yeah. Let's go. The back one's, hey, we got, oh, it's literally, yeah, it's like barely. Oh, I think, no, that's the way it is. Because this one looks like it's barely, the 2 middle ones look like they're good.
This one's probably right when the brakes go.
Yeah.
I don't know if they both do or what.
Hell yeah. Alright, we're gonna see how much power stuff we have. Yeah. Alright. Well, we only have 53K on here. So that's technically like what, like 25,000 miles? We got power folding mirrors, boy! Hey! Hell yeah.
If you forget about them and you have
yep.
to turn your car on after you
Airbag light is on, of course.
you might think something's blowing up.
I know, right? Ryan's gonna go and get a fire extinguisher. Oh, well, we're low on fuel. The light just popped up, so I think you are right where you were saying it's with like a floater or something?
Yeah, the fuel.
Because that light just popped up all of a sudden.
So if the chassis harness is getting power, the
Got
fuel
lights?
should still technically work. The blinkers going in there?
Oh, that's what we need to see. Oh,
wow, and there's
holy,
no ECU in.
No ECU on?
Oh,
that blinker is.
And yeah, they're just blinking fast, so there could be a light
Yeah,
out.
so light out. Oh, so it's probably the front one. This one's working. Wait, do that left one again?
That's hazard.
Alright, so yeah, this one's... Oh, you know why? I took the bulbs out.
Yeah.
Woo-wee! Can't get over the fact that, like, the lights light up. This hyped me up so much, man. Just gotta fix that right side, because the right side doesn't have, I think the ground or something's not connected right. Had to turn both lights on just to see how they look together. Looking good. Also had to see how my HIDs look without the yellow tint. I still gotta clean that all off and everything because this is ridiculous. If you guys have any idea, some suggestions on what I should do, might use some Goo Gone. Hopefully that works. All right, finally have all this nice and secured. All right, so the two that they gave me, the way I have it mounted on my 240, I like my way with little butterfly washers, but like I took them out here, but could literally just drill a hole straight through, have this strap right over, and then literally 2 bolts which hold this. This isn't going anywhere. Same with this. That only has one way of securing it. This has 2. I self-tapped it and put 4 screws in and self-tapped the brackets to strap the whole battery. Like, that thing's not going nowhere. So we're all good there. There we go. Depending on your size of battery, they give you like a little block here with the little slots. Fit that into the appropriate one. That way that's not moving. Just like that. Strapping that bad boy down. Not gonna strap it all the way because I need to take it back out, but that's all strapped. Mission complete there. So with the R34, all that's really left now is the actual wiring for it, and Jimmy's gonna be coming down to help me with that. Like I said, we got a lot of the stuff that actually works, so I'm pretty hyped on that. Got turn signals, headlights, tail lights. I gotta fix my right headlight, but we have all that. Gas gauge works, no gas of course, and it's just a bunch of little stuff now. I mean, the only other little thing I need till I get the car completely running is I need the MAF, I need a throttle cable. I might be using, I don't know, I was reading that you could use a Toyota Camry, like a 90, I think 93 to 96 Toyota Camry throttle cable. So might be going with that. Quote me if I'm wrong, definitely comment down. Like I said, this is a whole new project. I'm pretty hyped because literally I'm taking my time with this, even though it's like in a fast pace. It's only been like a month or 2, but I'm pretty hyped that I'm going like trying to do the Tommy F yeah way and Jimmy way, where everything's somewhat clean, and I'm actually taking my time with this. So I can't wait. Like always guys, like, comment, subscribe if you can. Throw down in the comments how you feel about the swap. If you have any pointers for me, like I said, if you guys know about the throttle cable, if you guys have a MAF, if you guys need some parts, because I'm selling some S chassis parts, like my control arms, my extended control arms. Yeah, other than that, oh, also I need a downpipe made with the exhaust, so I'm not sure about that yet, but stay tuned guys.